What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're back at it with a very special video. You're probably wondering, why is it so special and why am I like so bright? Hold up. Alright, that's a little bit better. But yeah, we're back for another video with a brand new pickup. I'm excited about this one. I actually already opened them. Well, first of all, they came in today. The box was actually already kind of open, so I don't know if somebody was trying to like look inside, like what was inside the box. But like one of the flaps, they were like already open. I was just like, bruh. Luckily, they weren't stolen or anything. The shoes were still in there. So yeah, that happened. But they came in today, and I was hyped. This is one of those pickups that, you know, this right here, this shoe is a grail. This is a gem. This is one of those shoes that I wanted for a long time, but I just never pulled the trigger because of the price. And yeah, man, I just found them for a good price, and I just had to cop them. Shout out to Soul Steals. This is where I got them from. I'm not trying to talk too much, but let's take a look. Oh wow, you can already kind of see it. I just peeped the camera. So, but yeah, we're gonna take a look at these bad boys. These are fire. These are a gem. You know, some kids nowadays won't understand the hype about this shoe. So let's take a look. So the shoe that I'm talking about is the boom, the LeBron 10. What the MVP. Bro, this shoe right here is a gem. This shoe right here is a grail to some people. This shoe, man, takes me back when I first started getting into sneakers. Bro, look at this shoe. Is just so damn beautiful. Look at that. It just looks so beautiful on the camera, man. I had to grab these bad boys. This is one of those shoes that back in the day when I started getting into sneakers, this was back in the day when basketball shoes were like hyped up. Obviously nowadays basketball shoes ain't really, you know, like that, like it used to be. I had to go put on a hat because my hair was kind of getting on my nerves. But yeah, man, back in the day, basketball shoes was popping. And this is one of those shoes that went for so much money that I was just like, bruh, there's no way I'm paying that much. But then an opportunity came up, got them for a steal. Now prices on these is just all over the place. I've seen the shoes for 2K, 3K, 5K, 4K. Like, I don't even know how much these shoes are worth, but I got them for a better price than that. And you know, got these shoes from Soul Steals. I've been telling you guys, soulsteals.com, that's where it's at. That's where, if you know, you know, man. But yeah, the LeBron 10, what the MVPs. So obviously this is a LeBron 10 shoe. These released back in like 2013, I believe. And yeah, man, back in the day, basketball shoes were kind of hard to get. This shoe only released in like limited stores. They didn't release in like, they weren't widely available. These were like super limited. I believe this is probably one of the super limited LeBrons that came out. I could be wrong, but yeah, these only released like in a couple Foot Lockers. This was back when House of Hoops was kind of like limited. Obviously now House of Hoops are kind of like everywhere now, but like I'm talking about like New York, LA, Chicago, and yeah, man, these were like dumb limited back in the day. I'm pretty sure they are still limited. And yeah, man, it's one of those shoes that I wanted, but then like, you know, it was hard to get, and I believe these didn't even release near me. So I took an L like years ago, but finally have these in the collection. As soon as I saw these, they were in my size as well. I just had to pull the trigger, bro. This shoe is like a grail. This is a gem to me. And yeah, man, I'm happy to have these in the collection. So we're gonna take a look at this shoe because I'm talking too much. And yeah, some of you guys probably watching this don't even know, like, probably don't even care about this shoe. You guys probably care about Yeezys and stuff. But yeah, so the left and the right shoe, they are both different. They're not the same at all. That's why they're called What The. Back in the day, What The shoes were like popping, but nowadays What The shoes are kind of like lacking. You know, they're not where they used to be anymore. But yeah, these are the LeBron 10s, left and right shoe. They're different colors. So we're gonna take a look at the left shoe first. And these are DS, so I got these DS, no box. But you know, over here we don't give a fuck about the box. We only care about the shoes because that's what we're wearing. So this is the left shoe. You have this baby blue type prism Nike swoosh. Bro, the details on this shoe is fire. But yeah, you have this prism looking Nike baby blue swoosh, which is actually 3M as well. And there's kind of like this lime green Volt in the background of the Nike swoosh. Obviously you have all these triangles going on in this navy blue, dark blue. There's a lot of shit going on with the shoe. You have these vents going on in orange, as you guys can see. The midsole is baby blue with like green, lime green speckles going on. Little 360. Boom. Now obviously you have the 360 air unit going on the LeBron 10s. Boom. Which is actually orange and like lime green inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, that's that. Right here you have LeBron Dunk right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. You have more vents going on in orange. And then you have that dark blue, navy blue, and that baby blue going on right there. Toe box is purple with splatter going on, which is this part right here is from the LeBron 10 Area 51, I believe. And then you have this infrared or bright orange swoosh right there. You see the laces, they are like yellow and orange. And then you have this lace lock right here of a lion, which is actually iridescent. So like, look at that. Ooh, this is beautiful. It's like a whole diamond. It like changes colors. But yeah, you got a lion lace lock right there. Your tongue is actually from the BHM LeBron 10. I don't know if you guys can see this, but the tongue has like that BHM pattern, if you guys remember from back in the day, going on. And then on the tongue pull tab you have the LeBron James signature. And then you have MVP in gold right there. Very, very nice touch. Very beautiful. On the back of the tongue you have this diamond or a gem, whatever you guys want to call this, right there. And then on the back of the tongue you have this guy working on something. I don't know, maybe he's cooking up something or something, I don't even know. But you got that on the back of the tongue. And then on the insole on the left shoe you have this multicolored prism going on. Very nice. Right there. Boom. Got the whole colors of the rainbow right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the left shoe. What else did I miss? Did I miss anything? Oh, I missed the bottom. Bottom is orange with the LJ crown logo in purple and green, and then the X is in blue right there. Very nice, very nice. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but you got this like prism thing going on right here, and it's actually iridescent. You guys can kind of see that, like changes colors. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, amazing. Magic. But yeah, that's the left shoe. Now we're going to get into the right shoe. Now getting into the right shoe, obviously they're both different, but yeah, this is the right shoe right here. Boom. You still kind of got that blue colored vibe going on. Obviously these vents right here, they're like baby blue and they're kind of see-through. You got that going around the shoe. But the Nike swoosh right here is still that Nike Prism swoosh, as you guys can see, which is in silver and then it's highlighted by orange. And this swoosh is actually 3M. Bro, I love that swoosh. Like, look at that shit. Nike doesn't do this anymore. But yeah, you got that 3M swoosh, you got the blue vents going on the shoe, and then you have these triangle shaped thingies going around the shoe, which is light greenish and then a deep forest green. Kind of looks blue, but it's like in person it's kind of like greenish. But yeah, you got that going on around the whole shoe. Obviously this time your midsole is kind of like this cracked kind of cement type vibe. It's on camera it looks reddish, but once you have it in hand it's actually like pink. But yeah, you got that going around the whole shoe. And obviously you got that 360 bubble, which inside is pinkish with this like light blue going on, as you guys can see right there. And you still have like that iridescent vibes going on right here. Look at that, beautiful. It changes colors. And then on the right shoe right here, you have the number 6 with a diamond on top, or a gem, or whatever you want to call that. Can you focus, camera, please? And then moving on to the toe box, it's like this deep purple with the BHM print going on. I don't know if you guys can see that, which is actually 3M. Later on in this video I'm gonna show you guys the 3M, because there is 3M hits on this shoe and it's beautiful. But yeah, you got that BHM print with that deep purple, and then you have this Volt swoosh going on with like this lighter green in the swoosh. But yeah, you have that. Laces is blue with lime green going on, and then you still have that iridescent lion right there. Look at that. Ooh, beautiful. Now I know you guys can't see this, but on the right shoe, the print on the tongue is a galaxy print. I believe they used the galaxy print on the Area 51s, I believe. I could be wrong. But yeah, it's galaxy print. And then on the tongue, on the right tongue, you still have MVP in gold with orange, and then you have that the bronze signature right there. But look at that, MVP in gold. That is so beautiful, bro. Look at that. And then the guts on the inside is galaxy print as well. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you kind of see it as galaxy print going on. And then on the back of the tongue, you actually have a lion with that galaxy print going on right there. Boom. And the insole for the right shoe is galaxy print as well. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful details. Look at that galaxy print. She said where we go, and I said the moon. Like, oh man, beautiful, beautiful. And then on the bottom of the shoe is like blue with white, and then the LJ crown logo is blue, like this light blue with orange, and the X is lime green right there. It kind of has like that crazy kind of pattern going on. But yeah, that's the bottom of the shoe. And then boom, this is both of them together, the bottom of the shoe. And yeah, man, this is the LeBron 10 MVP. What the MVP. Such a beautiful, dope shoe from back of the day. So nice, so damn nice. And these actually did come with extra laces. Give me a moment, I'm gonna go grab it. So these shoes come with extra laces, but they gave me extra laces. So the extra laces are orange with blue. They gave me like an extra bag. I don't know why, but I'll take it. It is what it is. But yeah, it does come with extra laces, but I got extra laces. And yeah, I'm gonna put up a video of these shoes with flash on, because these shoes, these bad boys do have 3M, and they are very nice when you hit them with flash. So yeah, but yeah guys, that is gonna be it for this video. Just a quick little throwback video. The LeBron 10, what the MVP. You don't see this every day. And you know, I'm glad to have these in a collection. And man, they're just a very beautiful shoe to look at. Some kids nowadays won't appreciate this stuff. Just saying. But yeah man, that's gonna be it for this video. Don't want to make this video too long. The LeBron, damn, look at that. Dude, I love how the colors pop. Like I can't get over it. But yeah, I'm gonna upload a video. No, I'm gonna upload a photo on Instagram, so make sure to go check it out. Leave a like on it of this shoe. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Don't want to make this video too long. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.